In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a single file with Microsoft Defender. Whether you're concerned about a suspicious file or just want to ensure that everything is as secure as possible on your device, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and confidently. First, let's start by opening File Explorer on your Windows device. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon, typically found in your taskbar at the bottom of the screen, or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, you'll need to navigate to the location of the file or folder that you want to scan. This might be a file you've downloaded recently, or one that you're unsure about in a specific directory. Take your time to locate the exact file, as it's important to scan the correct item. Once you've found the file, go ahead and right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. It's important to make sure that you're right-clicking on the correct file to avoid scanning unnecessary files. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Scan with Microsoft Defender option from this menu. If you're running a different version of Windows, or if this option isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Look for an option that might say something like "Check for threats" or an equivalent phrase, as sometimes interface options can differ slightly. After selecting Scan with Microsoft Defender will kick in and begin the scanning process. You'll notice the Windows Security app opening to perform this action. This process could take a moment, depending on the size of the file and the current performance of your device. It's a good time to make a quick note that regular scans can help maintain overall security on your computer, so consider making it a routine habit. Once the scan is complete, the results will appear within the Windows Security app. You'll want to carefully review these results to determine whether any threats were detected. Keep in mind that a clean result means there are no known threats associated with the file. However, if a threat is identified, Microsoft Defender will present you with options to address it. You can choose actions like removing the threat or quarantining the file. It's crucial to follow through with these actions to ensure your device remains secure. And there you have it. You've successfully scanned a single file with Microsoft Defender. This simple process provides peace of mind, knowing that your system is protected. Don't forget to keep your virus definitions up to date so that Microsoft Defender can continue being effective in providing your device with the best possible protection. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe online.